So within 24 hours, we already have our templates done. And I think this is the final one, right?
Yeah, we're hoping. We're really hoping.
We're gonna test it out. This is design number 2, I believe. Or actually, this is where we add the edges, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and test it out. Destoe thinks this is final and completely done, right?
I mean, it was so close last time.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold you to it. So for those of you who don't know about PPF and so on, oh, this is actually, let's go this way.
Okay.
This is a wet install, and that's typically what it is. We're just going to go ahead and release this liner all the way. There's the tip right there, just step on it. And of course, we are going to be doing the do-yourself kit for the Model Y Juniper. We already have this sprayed. Let's do a switcheroo. Okay, this definitely helps with 2 people. I got my squeegee right here. Go ahead and lay it down. Oh yeah, feels good. All right, so first step is, can you do a quick alignment on yours? And then I'll align mine as well. We like going right to the edge like that and having a little offset, mainly because we feel like for longevity purposes, it works really well. So you can go ahead and tack yours if you want. So when I say tack, we're using a mix of water, really, really clean water, like distilled water and alcohol actually. And then basically just tacking that down. And then if you want to give me some tack. So once that's tacked, you do the same thing on this side. And that's pretty much it. All right, now let's go ahead and spray the top of it. It's still kind of, all these big bubbles need to go away. So you just kind of use your hands and then do this. Oh my gosh, I think this is it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this. I didn't even try, and look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, that's so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack that down. Boom. And guys, this is, from all we know, this is probably the first video of the hood being PPF'd. I don't think there's any other content around it. So basically, we have the 4 corners pretty much tacked, and then we want to make sure we lubricate the top. For beginners, we actually we like starting from the middle. Let's go ahead and split it in half, and then go ahead and, yep, you can work your way outwards. The main thing that we tell people is you don't want to go into wherever you tacked. So like I tacked here, so you don't want to put water back in. Why? Because that's actually sealed. So if you're putting water, you're going to create bubbles around that area. So what we did was we split it in half, and then working my way outwards, right? So you can see that's where I tacked. So I actually want to go away from that. And then my release, I can actually start going down as well. I think you did it. This is fantastic. Look at this. So good. Oh yeah, overlap is perfect. I mean, look at this edge right here. I mean, this is a real nice, healthy amount. I mean, I don't know, maybe we'll tinker, but basically, a lot of the stuff we do is we just make sure that everything is good. We probably will change a little bit of the angle. Actually, that angle works really well. So, let's test it out. But first, let's get a microfiber and check this out. What took us like 2 minutes to install this? I don't know what the run time is. Okay, 4 minutes, fine. Look at that. So, why do you PPF? Well, the main reason, Destoe, you missed a bubble. I'm just kidding. The main reason why you do paint protection film is exactly that. You protect it from rock chips. It's an 8mm film. It's really, really thick. There's a polyurethane that protects it from all the stuff. So let's go ahead and open up the front real quick. Oh, you got it? And we're just going to do a quick check. But look at this nice little ledge. I mean, that is such a perfect amount right there. Boom. And then can you just spray some tack in that area into that edge? We're just gonna quickly test.
Sorry.
Just a really quick. So the alcohol actually expedites this process. Then once you get here, boom. Not quite. See all this water, I might actually have to flush that out a little bit with some water. But yeah, this is like a perfect amount of edge. This is so good. I think we're good.
Let's go.
So we are done with the hood. We're actually done with the fender. We have the bumper that's pretty much done. We have a prototype and we're gonna be testing it over the weekend, and we're hoping that we get deer style, actually not hoping, we're going to have a deer style front PPF kit by Monday. I mean, 2 days, 3 days of R&D or whatever, but completely designed in-house by us. That's why you see all these dots and stuff. But hopefully that was entertaining to watch us, I guess, PPF the hood of the 2026 Model Y Juniper. Thanks to Destoe, you'll be able to protect your Model Y in the next few days. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.